Well. Hey guys, I'm coming at you with a awesome tool review. Stay tuned for this one. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another tool review. As you can see in front of me, we have a Mac Tools blow molded case. What's in it, you ask? I'll tell you right now. Boom. Bodyman's case, as I call it. Basically, we have the essential for any technician in the auto body field. Starting out, veteran, does not matter. You have your spoon dolly, your toe dolly, regular dolly, and another toe dolly. Now you got your hammers. You got your short Bodyman hammer, the short one, which we use a lot of depending on the dent. Regular Bodyman's hammer, you can see it's longer. And we have shrinking hammer. So there you go, there's your shrinking hammer. Now, I'm going to give you a brief description on this kit. 7-piece kit, everything in here is included. With the hammers, it's a, I believe, lifetime warranty. You break them, your Mac guy will replace them. Not intentionally though. This is a full cedar handle. It's tough stuff. It's very light, like I can throw this, I don't want to. But yeah, I've used this hammer, as you can tell. Using a quarter panel, Ford Focus, really comfortable in the hand. You don't feel the vibration or anything. I recommend anybody starting out, pick yourself up just this hammer, this dolly for the time being. This kit at the time of purchase was $375. I don't know what it retails for now. It's not a bad kit. I love it. I've used it. I'm a huge fan. I haven't used the spoon yet. Really good. Stainless steel coating, anodized coating on it. Works really well. You can beat the crap out of stuff with this and it works. So there you go. And if you ever need to replace anything, Mac has the part number right there. Just give it to your Mac guy. He'll replace it for you. So this is my review video on my body hammers and dolly kit by Mac Tools. And now I can't even get the damn thing back together. There we go. Jesus. I'm losing it. So there you go. You get 7 pieces. Cedar handles. Take a punishment. Absolutely fantastic. I recommend it. Blow molded case, protected, sliding locks. You're done. Put it in your box, you're done. Essential kit. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Thank you for watching.